Hi everyone, my name's Amir and welcome to today's video where we'll be looking at this absolutely beautiful Audi A1. Now the interesting upgrade we've carried out today is a BlackVue DR770X 2-channel dash camera. So what that means, it's a front camera and a rear, giving you protection all around your vehicle. Now this particular camera is a 1080p camera with 60 frames per second recording on the front. So it gives a really nice footage and actually has a really upgraded night vision system that allows you to capture number plates and get really nice clean footage even in low light conditions. Now having a dash camera is proving to be one of the most important things you can add to your vehicle and something I hate driving without. Having the protection of a dash camera really helps you and makes you feel a lot more safe on the roads. As the roads are getting busier, it's getting more and more likely to get into an accident, and having some protection is absolutely vital in 2025. Now what most of our clients opt for when fitting a camera like this is to add on an external battery. Now you might be asking yourself, what does that actually mean and how does that help me? Now what that does for any car is allows the camera to have something called parking recording. So even after this client turns their car off and goes into the shops or into their home, the camera will still be recording, capturing any event or footage that might be needed later. So you can wish away any of those parking dings where you don't know who did it. Now you have that footage directly downloaded onto your phone. Now the BlackVue app is one of the easiest to use out there on the market. It allows you to download your footage really seamlessly and easily, but also categorizes the different pieces of footage you have between normal recording, parking recording, and any events that might happen. It can recognize that by any knocks or jolts of the vehicle, or even if someone gets a little bit too close to it, and it gives you that footage as a separate file on your app. Really nice, easy to use, which is exactly what you want in the heat of a moment if you've ever had a car accident. Now, if you're interested in having a dash camera just like this installed on your car, feel free to get in contact with either myself or my team and we can get that all arranged for you. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to subscribe and like this video to let us know. But thank you guys for watching and enjoy the next one.